Different teaching methodologies to make interactive lectures. You've been asked to give an online lecture. Are you wondering what methodologies to use, how to plan your interaction, and how to optimize the use of these methodologies to gain the best outcome in terms of interaction in class? Keep watching, and through this video, you will be acquainted with the different methodologies and tips on why interaction is important and how best to conduct an interactive lecture. Schedule interactive moments during the online lecture. It is essential that you really plan, structure, and prepare clear instructions for the interactive moments within your lecture. State clearly what the participants are expected to do and how much time is allocated for this task. You can start with some icebreakers to get the audience involved. Use brainstorming in your introduction. For instance, ask the audience to imagine a certain topic and use a tool like WooClap to share a word cloud based on their answers. During your lecture, plan enough time to have interactive moments and to answer spontaneous questions. Thumbs up, thumbs down. See if students are keeping up with your reasoning. Ask them to show with the emoticon. Pose a question and ask the students to respond in the chat. Do you want a student to clarify or explain something? Ask them to turn on their microphone. Do you want to have students consult each other or work together? Use breakout rooms. Do you want to know what students think? Provide a scale ranging from completely disagree to completely agree and let students mark their opinion. Allow students to write on the whiteboard or Padlet anonymously to give everyone, even the shy students, the chance to collaborate. Challenge your students. Make a mini quiz or poll. Use Zoom or WooClap. Show real-time analytics on their responses. By offering just-in-time rich information, you can gain their attention. Use tools like Padlet or idea boards, virtual walls with post-its for students. These provide a quick overview of answers to open questions. Do you want students to think more deeply about certain topics? Have them come up with the polling questions themselves and post it in the group chat. Then organize the polling of the questions that you like. Help learners make a connection between ideas and concepts by drawing a mind map. Activate students' prior knowledge and have a discussion at the beginning of the class, or introduce activities following the lecture by asking students to make a link between a current real-life problem and the content of the course. Invite a guest speaker and give the learners the chance to interact with an expert from the field. Focus your energy on engaging with the learners. Cut a long lecture into smaller chunks and, when possible, prepare and play pre-recorded short videos of your lecture for complex topics and procedures. Take-home message: optimize the use of different methodologies to gain the best outcome in terms of interaction in class.